Hi guys, we're going to take a look at solving our systems by using what we call elimination. So the objective here is to take a look at our system of equations and find where there might be, if we have the two equations written in standard form, meaning that we have the x and the y on one side together, on the left side together, and the constant on the right side of the equal sign. We're going to write them in standard form, have our like terms aligned in columns. What we're trying to find are opposite terms. We're trying to find exact opposite variable terms when we look at the like terms. So what we're saying here is that what we'd like to do is compare the x terms and then the y terms. And I can see here clearly that in this example, the negative 3y and the positive 3y are exact opposites. Those are exact opposites. And because those are exact opposites, I can simply add through the columns of like terms, combining those like terms, and you'll find that by doing that, you'll eliminate the y terms. So let's see, x plus 3x gives us 4x. Negative 3y plus positive 3y cancels out. It goes away. And 7 plus 9 will give us 16. This allows us to eliminate one of the variable terms from the system so that we can then focus on solving one variable at a time. So in this case, now that I've eliminated y, I can simply solve for x. And the best way to do that, of course, is divide both sides of the equation by 4. X equals 4. Now that I have one of my solutions, I can substitute this value into either the first or the second equation and then solve for y. I'm going to choose to substitute it into the first equation. So I'm going to substitute x into the equation that is x minus 3y equals 7. So I'm going to replace the x with 4. So I've got 4 minus 3y equals 7. Now I want to isolate the y, so I'm going to subtract the 4 from both sides, and then divide both sides by negative 3, and I can see that I get y equals negative 1. So now I have both solutions. I have the x and the y. All I need to do now is write them as an ordered pair. So the solution for this system is x is 4, y is negative 1, and I'm finished with the problem.